Yo, what's up, y'all? Yo, we finna check out. We got B.I. This is Waterfall. Live film, y'all. Now, shout outs to Nice. That's it, y'all. That's the person's name, Nice. Could've made that shit up if I wanted to, dead ass. Anyway, Nice was letting me know to check this shit out. And you know what, y'all? There's English captions. So we gonna be able to see what B.I.'s talking about, you feel me? Now, I don't wanna waste none of y'all time. Let's get straight into this. Let's go. Hey. Come on.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 죄인, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain, 빌어먹을 재능, 내 이름을.
Yo, hold on, y'all, hold on. He said his name is Sinner. He said his name is Hypocrite. Why he going so hard on himself, y'all? Now, I remember y'all telling me something about his past or whatever the case may be. Maybe what he's talking about right there is what other people were saying about him before, y'all. I'm not really sure, though.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 죄인, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain, 빌어먹을 재능, 내 이름을. 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain 인생은 새 노래 끝이 없는 고뇌 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여행 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네.
Oh, he said if he wash away all the painful past, y'all. Okay, I see what he talking about now, y'all. It was what most likely y'all was telling me before. This is about his past life. Let's keep moving forward.
수익기를 하늘에 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서 피가 제대로 통해. 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내. 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
Let's go.
내 이름은 쓰레기 어리석은 애다 받아들여야지 무슨 핑계 갖다 대. What's my name, what's my name, what I am, what I am. 물이 되어 흘러가는 흐름대로 살아가려 해.
Hey, whoa, I like that bar right there, y'all. Hold on, let me move it back. Hold on.
물이 되어 흘러가는.
I try to become like water and live with the flow. Cause you know water be flowing, y'all. But he talking about he trying to be like water. And I guess live with the flow of his life, with the flow of rapping. You know what I'm saying? The flow of people talking shit. That could mean a few things, y'all. And also what I like in this video, it looked like he like in just some field somewhere, y'all. And where that spotlight coming from? It looked like a helicopter might be using that shit. Now I could be wrong, y'all, and there could be a green screen in the back or whatever. But I'm just saying what it looked like from me watching it for the first time. Let's go B.I.
I am what I am. 물이 되어 흘러가는 흐름대로 살아가려 해. 무너진 그 단어 속에 숨겨진 깊이를 이해하니 새로운 미래가 그려짐. 틀어진 호흡 다시 가다듬고 사라지는 것들의 미련을 전부 놔야지. 비약이엔 커져버린 관념 과명 속의 전쟁터에서 목적 없이 싸워. 냉수 한 잔 마시고 정신 똑바로 차려. 실은 역시 관대해서 나를 다시 살려. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
Okay. This shit fire.
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비음 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me.
I gotta bring it back some, y'all. He's saying that shit with his chest. You could really hear the emotion in this part right here, specifically, y'all. Let's keep moving forward.
따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비음 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me.
Yo. This beat is fire. Oh shit, y'all. Oh shit. 6/1/2021. What's that, y'all? What's going on in June? He dropping an album? Man, if anybody knows, let me know in the comment section down below, cause we gonna have to check that out for sure. Yo, B.I sound like a motherfucking problem, for real, y'all. He really does. Definitely was liking some of the harmonizing that was in the video, the flow. A1, y'all, that shit was on 100. He was talking his shit, you feel me? Now, if I wouldn't have checked out one of his other music videos before, and y'all wouldn't have let me know that he was dealing some shit from his past, I probably wouldn't have been able to understand as much as I did, even though he did point out pretty much in the beginning something about washing away his past or something like that, y'all. Yo, like I said, B.I is a motherfucking problem. If there's any other videos from him y'all want me to check out, hopefully y'all know what to do by now. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Links will be in the description down below for the following, so you can check out this music video, so you can follow me on Twitter and or check my music out on Spotify. Hit that subscribe button if you likes what I do. Also hit that bell for all notifications. Yo, I really appreciate each and every single last motherfucking one of you. I mean that shit, y'all. I go by the name of A. And remember, I'm here now. Until next time.